everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, FUNDI ZWANE, who is well known with her amazing character KaMadonsela on IMBEWU the Seed, surprised many people with her weight loss. One of her followers couldn't hold herself on the comment section but mentioned that she thought she was sick. On her post, FUNDI ZWANE shared a picture of herself wearing a denim jean, captioned, "My best friend convinced me to wear a size of a denim that fits snugly because apparently there is something to show now." Cut a long story short, I'm a product of being loved well by a tribe of glorious human beings and I'm so grateful. We are overdue for a sit-down talk about my weight loss journey and this chosen evolution. I'm talking to my management, Justine, about us having a podcast sit-down situation, but before we do, it's important to talk about what mental strength and inner resilience can birth, what initiation can birth, what struggle, anxiety and fatigue can birth, what showing up for myself over and over can birth, no matter what my size, what being body shamed even in this journey can birth, what settling into a regimented but enjoyable routine can birth, what forsake not today I'm resting can birth, what a supportive management structure can birth, what idlozi can birth. There are no shortcuts when you want what you want from yourself. I hope we have enough hours for how long we need to go. And guys, so yeah, a podcast is coming where Fundisa will be sharing a lot about her weight loss journey, about her life and how did she overcome her challenges. I know most people fell in love with FUNDI ZWANE as the first KaMadonsela. It was even difficult for them to accept Brenda Mhlongo as her replacement. So we'll be having a chance to know her better. Stay tuned to find more about her. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.